Hey guys, Mark McInch here with AOC, week 2, project 2. This is my reflection video. I have the iOS iPad simulator running. I believe I met all the requirements. I believe so. I have all different colors for the boxes, and the text itself seems to be displaying fine. Some of the problems that I ran into were the X and Y width and height values. I kind of had some problems with that, changing it from one box to the next. Seemed to kind of cover one or the other up, or block out the text, or cover the text. It kind of reminded me of the layers inside of Photoshop. Um, Prior to starting the assignment, I of course watched all the videos. I believe I seen a video of Wendy showing the UI pointer label that I have here. I believe I've seen her like putting those into the view controller .h. I did not put any of mine inside of the viewer controller .h. All of my code is within the view controller .m. I don't have any errors or warnings or nothing. I'm not for sure if that's the correct way. It seems a little more efficient to me to write it that way, instead of going back and forth. The other problem that I kind of ran into, I was short for time on this. I actually got this whole assignment done last night before the deadline, except for a few labels that I'd had done actually Wednesday. And the last thing was displaying the list items, running it through a loop using the NS string and the NS mutable string. I just kind of wondering too. I just know that they're just wanting us to use it. The NS array, of course, everything the NS string called through the array. Why you'd have to have the immutable string, but I understand there are different classes. The only thing I could come up with is maybe, again, efficiency, or maybe the way that how fast that the program will run or display. In that matter, I wanted to try to create a NS string with all my values just inside of one line. I didn't get it set up that way. I do have it set up this way. It runs good. I did have a little problem setting up this NS mutable string and a couple other things in it. Of course, the for loop, I knew about that, but I did get a little help from Sloan. Thank you, Sloan, for that. I appreciate it. But as you see, I appended everything to the list items labeled down here, which will show up, and it works really well. So that's about all I have. It was really a good week, other than just running out of time for a lot of different things. I'm sure that I'm not the only one with that problem. But I hope everybody had a really good week, and I don't want to make this video too long, so thank you very much for watching, and we'll talk to you all next week. Goodbye.